Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Avoid your surgery. Recipe for removal of fatty tissue, lipoma, within 8 days. Cysts are among the most common problem we all face, especially women, and they can appear in every part and organ in our body. Conventional medicine suggests a painful and invasive treatment as a method of elimination of these cysts, but not everyone is a fan of these treatments. That's why in today's article we've decided to show you how to eliminate them completely naturally. Today we'll talk about lipomas, the fatty tissues that appear almost everywhere and look like a knot. Lipomas usually appear right under your skin and are most frequently seen on the shoulder, neck, armpits, but rarely form on the muscles or internal organs. They're described as rubbery bulges that feel as they're moving, and their growth is usually slow-paced. Some lipomas are really small, up to 2 inches in diameter, while others can grow up to 8 inches in size. Lipomas are fairly common and can affect almost everyone. Some even have several lipomas throughout their body. Even though they're not life-threatening, lipomas can grow indefinitely and in some cases be even painful, which is why many people like to have them removed. Lipoma treatment. The majority of lipomas aren't painful and don't cause a problem, which is why people decide to leave them be and live with them. However, it's best to consult with your doctor. Do an ultrasound and monitor your condition. If it's painful, or you simply want to have it removed, check with your doctor to see the method of removal. Usually, the conventional treatment included a locally administered injection to numb the tissue around the lipoma and once. The anesthetic kicks in, the doctor makes a small cut and remove the lipoma. In some cases the doctor can't remove the lipoma simply by making a small incision, and this means you'll need to be put under general anesthesia and get it removed in the operating room. But there's also an alternative method of treatment. For those who are not fans of the invasive kind, you'll need 4 TBSP organic aloe vera, 2 Georgian Lari TBSP organic honey. Take a small bowl and combine the ingredients. Apply the mixture on your lipoma generously, about 1 centimeter thick, and cover it with a plastic wrap to secure it in place. Leave it on for 36 hours, remove it and repeat the procedure for 4 times in a row.